Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those that have the DJI Goggles Integra and for some reason they just won't turn on. They're fully charged, but as you can see, nothing. And why this happens, I don't know, but if you just want to get a flight in and up and running before you return these, if they do take them back, what you want to do is just press the power button, hold it until the everything just finds itself again, and you hopefully after a few seconds you should see a green light turn on. Yep, there you go. Once you see the green light, you let go and then you press it. Right, see, it didn't work. Okay, so now we're gonna try it again. Hold it down and then just press it really fast so we can get the goggles to power up again. See, that didn't work. Nope. All right, so let's just let go. Press it, just hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds. That should do the trick. And hopefully the green light will turn on. If that doesn't, see, there you go. And then press it and voila. And now the goggles are on. And so now, when you look in the goggles, can't see any. Oh, you see, there you go. You have your DJI is probably telling you to connect and whatever. But it works temporarily. I would send these back. These are definitely going back because it should not be doing that. It should just be, off, right? And then hopefully, nope. See, there's no on again. So to turn them back on, you have to do that. And you just pray it works. And why this happens, I don't know. It's just, it could be a glitch with the goggles. It could be the latest. And it's running the latest. There you go. And then turn them on. So yeah, you shouldn't have to do that. So now they're on. So we got 2 bars. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and you can, get a few more flights in before returning them to DJI or wherever you got them. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below or ideas for other videos. And I'll see you all next time.